Streamlining bid management with Excel, Power BI, and a consolidated database. In the world of bidding activities, organizations understand the value of accumulated data. But with thousands of spreadsheets, managing and analyzing the data can be overwhelming. That's where Excel, Power BI, and a consolidated database come in. The first step is to consolidate all the bid spreadsheets into one comprehensive database. This minimizes data duplication and creates a centralized store of information that is easy to access, manage, and analyze. Establish a connection between the consolidated database and Excel, too. This allows teams to work in a familiar environment while taking advantage of expanded functionality. Real-time analysis and advanced data modeling become possible. In the final phase, integrate the Excel-connected database with Power BI. Power BI's powerful data visualization tools give your data a tangible form, making even complex datasets accessible. Generate dynamic dashboards, detailed reports, and evaluate win-loss ratios at a glance. By leveraging Excel, Power BI, and a centralized bid database, organizations gain profound insights into their bidding process. They can track success rates, discover trends, and fine-tune tactics for better decision-making. This data-driven approach increases win percentages and sheds light on pricing strategies. Streamline your bid management process and gain a competitive advantage in the market. To learn more about analyzing bidding data over time, get in touch with us.